Welcome to Bike Shift. Today we explore the all-new 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium maxi scooter that blends comfort, performance, and modern technology into one stylish package. Designed for riders who want more power than a traditional 125 cubic centimeters scooter but still crave everyday practicality, this new Burgman aims to redefine urban commuting and weekend cruising. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 carries forward the iconic Burgman styling with a sharper and more aggressive look. The large front apron, sleek LED headlamps, and aerodynamic body panels give it a strong road presence. The tall windscreen enhances wind protection, making highway rides more comfortable. The long and wide seat ensures relaxed ergonomics for both rider and pillion. With premium paint finishes and chrome detailing, this scooter feels more like a luxury tourer than a regular city commuter. The overall design clearly reflects Suzuki's focus on sophistication and practicality. At the heart of the 2026 Burgman 180 is a refined 180 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This upgraded motor delivers smooth acceleration and stronger mid-range performance compared to smaller displacement scooters. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on open roads, the power delivery feels confident and responsive. The CVT automatic transmission ensures effortless riding, making it beginner-friendly while still offering enough punch for experienced riders. The engine is tuned for a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for daily use without compromising excitement. One of the biggest highlights of the Suzuki Burgman series has always been comfort, and the 2026 model takes it to another level. The wide footboard allows flexible riding positions, while the plush seat cushioning reduces fatigue during long rides. The suspension setup, featuring telescopic front forks and rear twin shock absorbers, provides a smooth ride over rough roads. Larger wheels enhance stability, and the scooter feels planted even at higher speeds. Whether commuting to work or heading out on a weekend ride, comfort remains a top priority. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, trip information, and connectivity features. Bluetooth smartphone integration allows call alerts and navigation updates directly on the display. LED lighting all around improves visibility and adds a premium touch. Keyless ignition, USB charging port, and generous under-seat storage make it highly practical. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes with ABS for confident braking performance. Maxi scooters are known for their storage capacity, and the Burgman 180 does not disappoint. The large under-seat compartment can easily store a full-face helmet and other essentials. Additional front storage pockets make it convenient for small items like a phone or wallet. With a comfortable riding posture, spacious seat, and ample storage, this scooter is designed for daily usability without sacrificing style. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 stands out as a powerful, comfortable, and feature-rich maxi scooter. It bridges the gap between standard scooters and entry-level motorcycles, offering the best of both worlds. For riders looking for premium design, smooth performance, and everyday practicality, this new Burgman could be the perfect upgrade. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more detailed reviews and the latest updates from the world of bikes and scooters.